Why is raising money through tokenization so much better and so much more effective than raising money through traditional means? I'm going to give you 5 ways, and these are very, very important because I know a lot of you are like, I'm not going to invest in a tokenized property or a tokenized thing, and I'm going to tell you why, because I get to ask this question all the time. So here we go. Number 1, you can raise money anywhere in the world, and on our platform, and I'm sure the others, you can do it in 4 clicks. Which is amazing. Number 2, well, especially with commercial real estate, you need a big check, but usually $1 million or more, $5 million or more. With our platform, try 50 bucks. How's that? Now, when you're dealing with investors, family offices, and institutions around the world, they aren't the same as we are in the US. For example, in Japan, you could literally borrow money for 2.5%. With here, even with the Fed reduction, we're still at 6.5%. On the commercial side, maybe even higher, depending on what project you have. So now if you could tap into the global markets, imagine the interest rates that you can get if you're seeking tokenized debt. Best part is, of course, in borrowing from crypto, is that you could trade your token day one. So if you buy into a property, you don't like what the property developer or owner is doing, you could sell it and you're out. And you don't have to wait 8 years to get out of that property. And finally, a lot of people don't talk about this, is you could bring these tokens into the DeFi markets, which are decentralized markets all the way around the world, and you could collateralize that token, whether you're the investor or the developer. If you're the investor, you can margin it without selling that property, without selling the token tied to that property. You can margin against it, take cash immediately. Of course, you can always sell the token, like we just mentioned, but if you want to hold on to it, because this property is gangbusters, you can just collateralize it. If you're a developer and you don't sell all your tokens to a property and you want to test the markets, the DeFi markets, again, we talked about the Japan example, you can literally collateralize your tokens to borrow against them without having to sell them in order to bring in capital to fund your project or do improvements. So there, folks, are just 5 reasons why you should be more interested in tokenizing, whether you're an investor or developer or real estate owner, than traditional means. And I know a lot of you are still afraid of this tokenization stuff, but trust me, because of the blockchain, it's a lot safer. You're thinking about crypto. This is not crypto. Yes, they use the same tools. It's not the same thing, okay? Just remember that. Tokenization is different from crypto, a lot safer. All the rules and regulations that are in the traditional world apply here, okay? Trust me on this.